So guys, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which has been on the agenda in the past weeks, continues to leak. The model looks strong in many aspects. The latest leak about this phone reveals more of its features. The latest information about the upcoming Galaxy S20 FE comes from Ice Universe, a well-known Chinese leakster on Twitter. According to him, the device will support a 120Hz display similar to other already available and upcoming premium Samsung smartphones such as Galaxy S20 Plus, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 2. Other than the 120Hz refresh rate display, the Galaxy S20 FE is also rumored to have a 3.3mm punch hole to house the front-facing selfie camera. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is also said to have the IP68 build and a nice pricing. Despite Huawei's recent wars, it is still putting up a good fight in the smartphone market. A recent report claims that the Chinese manufacturer has toppled Samsung to become the largest smartphone manufacturer in the world. From September, Apple will be gearing up to unveil the iPhone 12 series. This means that the competition will even be more intense. Top phone makers like Samsung need a strategy, otherwise it will run out of juice. Powering the phone will be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that comes as no surprise at all. Another tidbit of the tweet that has a lot of people interested is about the price. Ice Universe just stated that price nice. We are assuming that it is going to be a cheaper smartphone than the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, but just how cheap is the question. The Galaxy Note 10 was priced at $949 last year, and we are expecting the Galaxy Note 20 to jump in price. However, if this is truly a light version of the Galaxy S20, then we should see it lower. It could possibly be closer to $700 to $800. As for its launch date, Samsung hasn't made any official announcement about the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Nevertheless, a report from South Korea last month indicated that the new model would arrive sometime in October, subsequently after the launch of the Galaxy Note 20 series and Galaxy Z Fold 2. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.